Everybody, Tammy Russell with Keller Williams Realty here, and I am with Jennifer Dixon with Goosehead Insurance, and she's going to answer a few questions for us. So thank you for your time, Jennifer.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. And everybody's talking about their insurance rates and some of the things that are affecting those. And one of the things I keep hearing about are older roofs. And can you tell us a little bit about how that affects the average homeowner's insurance policy?
Most carriers are looking at roof as in, I know we have our 25-year shingles and our 30 and 50-year shingles. They really aren't taking that into account. So if you have a roof that is 20 years or older, it's getting harder and harder to insure them.
Okay, so even if we have a 40-year shingle, it doesn't really matter to them.
Correct.
I got you. Okay. Now, a lot of what we're hearing about too are the fortified roofs. How is that affecting our insurance?
Fortified roof program is great. If you do have the opportunity, I encourage everyone to take advantage of it. It's called the Strengthen Your Roof Program. It is held by the North Carolina Joint Underwriting and Insurance Underwriting Association. They will provide you with grant money to help put a fortified roof on your home, which could save you on average about 6%, but I do have some customers telling me 8% on your wind insurance, and then some carriers will also apply that to your hazard.
Okay. What exactly do you need to qualify for that program?
You do have to be placed with an NCIUA type policy, whether dwelling wind, home, or a homeowner's wind policy.
Okay. And what exactly does that mean? The NC?
It's the North Carolina Joint Underwriting and Insurance Underwriting Association. So okay. NCIUA would be the beach plan and NCJUA would be inland.
Okay. All right. Perfect. What percentage of people that are insured would be on that particular type of plan?
A large majority of the Outer Banks is on this program.
Okay. All right, great. And then what would they need to do in order to apply for that type of grant? Would they contact their insurance agent? Would they go online? What's the process like?
You can Google Strengthen Your Roof program and it will lead you to the website. You input your policy number and your zip code and it'll tell you if you're eligible. In most cases you are. If this is a secondary home, you might try both of your zip codes, the one here and your primary residence, because sometimes that happens when they input it into the system. So they check the eligibility. It's a very simple process. 4 photos of the home from each side of the home. You input that and they will get back to you. Most of my clients are accepted into the program, but with its popularity growing, we are seeing some delays.
Okay. And then if you qualify for that program, it's my understanding, correct me if I'm wrong, that you actually pay for the roof up front and then they reimburse you once the work is done and it's certified. Is that correct?
Correct. You are reimbursed. They also have inspections that take place that are no cost to you. So you are granted an inspector that comes and looks throughout the process of putting the new roof on, and then they come back every 5 years to inspect the roof to make sure it still qualifies.
Okay, all right. So let's say, I'm just trying to understand. So you qualify for the program, they come out, they do their inspection, they give you the $8,000 grant. In 5 years, if for some reason you didn't qualify, do they come back for some of that grant back, or how does that work? What are they looking for in 5 years?
In 5 years, they're just inspecting it for sustainability, wear and tear. Most cases, they're just going to issue you another certificate because those certificates are only good for 5 years at a time.
I got you. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah.